as Ukraine makes sure Russia's supply chain is under constant strain. This helps lower Russia's offensive and defensive capability, making Russia less effective in all capabilities. This role to wear down Russia's supply chain has been adopted by the Ukrainian drone army, resulting in vast amounts of supply trucks getting hit and destroyed, as most often only one FPV drone is enough to take out a truck, as it lacks any armor and has a lot of combustible parts. While we can't see the end result of all of these attacks, as no secondary drone records the event, some strike can be imagined as more combustible than other, taking out more Russian equipment, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.